There is extraordinary power that lies within, the simple yet profound decision: never quitting. Life is a journey filled with challenges, obstacles, and moments that test our strength. But let me tell you this: the sweetest victories are reserved for those who refuse to give up. Imagine if every person who faced adversity threw in the towel. Picture a world where every dreamer surrendered to the first sign of difficulty. It's a world devoid of innovation, progress, and the triumph of the human spirit. But you, my friends, are not cut from that cloth. You are warriors, undeterred by the storms, and relentless in your pursuit of success. Life is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Along the way, you will encounter obstacles that seem insurmountable, and moments when you question if the journey is worth the struggle. It is precisely in those moments that you must remember the power that lies within you. The power to endure, to persist, and to emerge stronger on the other side. Think about the stories of those who have achieved greatness. They didn't reach the summit without facing treacherous terrain. They didn't conquer their dreams without battling the demons of doubt and fear. But what sets them apart is their refusal to quit. They embraced challenges as opportunities, and rejection as redirection. In the face of adversity, remember this: every setback is a setup for a comeback. The path to success is not a smooth, paved road. It's a rugged, winding trail that demands your grit and determination. It's in the moments when you feel like you can't go on that your breakthrough is just around the corner. You are not defined by the challenges you face, but by your response to them. When the world says, "Give up," whisper to yourself, "Try one more time." The journey to success is not for the faint of heart, but for those who dare to dream and are courageous enough to chase those dreams with unwavering determination. Remember, success is not about the absence of failure. It's about the refusal to surrender. It's about picking yourself up when life knocks you down, dusting off the setbacks and pressing forward with renewed vigor. You are not a victim of your circumstances. You are a creator of your destiny. So as you navigate the challenges that life throws your way, hold on to the belief that within you lies the power to overcome, to persevere, and to triumph. Make a pact with yourself today. A pact that no matter how tough the road gets, you will never quit. Embrace the struggle, for it is the forge that shapes the steel of your character. In the grand book of life, your story is still being written. The pages may be filled with trials and tribulations, but let those be the chapters that showcase your indomitable spirit. When the world witnesses the heights you reach, let them marvel not just at your achievements, but at the unyielding will that carried you through. In the immortal words of Winston Churchill, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." So, my fellow warriors, my champions of persistence, carry on with unwavering resolve. For your greatest triumphs await on the other side of never quitting. The world is watching, and it's time to show them the incredible strength that resides within you. Now go out there and conquer your dreams. Never quit. And let the world bear witness to the extraordinary journey of your unstoppable spirit.